Can a katana really cut through anything? Let's start with
Soda. It's gone!
Now let's try.
My girlfriend's melons. Sorry, babe. Wow. Those are some good melons.
Let's level up to
Giant sack. Oh, it got all over me.
Now we have
5 balls. Yo! I didn't know that's what's inside a soccer ball.
Let's do Messi because Ronaldo's the GOAT. No way! Next, we have
Shutters' favorite cake. What? Don't tell Shutters.
now for a PS5.
Guys, subscribe if you think this is going to cut through it.
No way! Subscribe!